Hi friends, I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is another video. It's time for us to do our staffing. So I bring my tray here, and also I have my money. I went to the bank and I'm going to staff my bill expenses and my variable expenses. You guys know that we did the budget yesterday, so today we are going on to do the staffing. So that makes it easy. If you haven't seen my budget, I will show to you quick. Very simple as always. I say it. So this is my budget. That's what I set it up, my bi-weekly budget. So it's time to cast off my fixed expenses and my variable expenses. So I'll go ahead, leave the book here to guide me so that I know what is going where. So keep watching. Hi, hello, how's everybody's doing? Thanks for being part of my friends. For my new subscribers, you guys know I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. My OG, I love you too. I hope you are doing very well. You hear me asking all this. If you are new here, you hear me asking how you doing, because how are you doing? My name is Josy. If you are new here on this channel, I do budgeting, staffing, and paying off my student loan, which a lot of people have been asking me. I'm bringing a video out. Hold on, video is coming out. I also do a lot of savings challenges. The year is getting to an end. Do you have your Christmas money to spend? Or are you going to put it on a credit card? Don't do that. We are doing 100 days to Christmas. If you haven't joined yet, I'm inviting you in to come join. I have all the video lined up for you. You don't have to do anything. All that you need is to save the money the way I'm doing it. You can double it. You can save half of it. Trust me, very simple. The highest number, I keep on saying the highest number we're going to save will be like $18. If it's half of it, it's going to be like $9. So that's how easy it is. So now that I have everything here, let me go ahead, count the money to see how much I'm going to put in my envelopes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 1100. Where's the calculator? Then I have 1, 2. That's 200. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another 200. Then I have $15. So that's 15. So 1,515. That's how much is going to go into my wallet. The first one that I will do will be my bills. Let me put a calculator on this side. No, I think I'll do my daily wallet first. So this is my daily wallet. For those of you who have been asking, I do have some in my shop. I don't have a lot, but I do have some in my shop in case you need a wallet. Very affordable. It comes with a chain already. And when you buy it, so in case you are wondering, it comes with a chain already. So let me go ahead and set this up quick. For my personal, I always get 20. Of late, I've been spending my personal a lot. I'm trying to slow down, but it's so hard when I'm at work and I won't need to grab a snack. I use that. Blessing is 20. This money is very important to me. For those of you who know me, my blessing money is very important to me. For my grocery, we're doing $300 for 2 weeks. For gas get $50. For Sam's Club is getting $200. For Flash is getting 20. Now I have 2 turtles, Flash and Lucky. My date night is getting $10. Eating out is getting 10. Now my eating out, mostly my dear husband uses pocket money. So if they don't take it from me, I'll keep it in my wallet. Loca is getting $100. Clothing is not getting anything this time. I'm done buying clothes before next year. I'm not going to buy any clothes anymore. I already told my kids, because it just get overwhelmed when you buy because they need something, you go buy. They need this, you go buy. Always there's something somebody needs. Yep. Okay, my nails is getting 20. So I don't want to do that anymore. So I told them we are pausing clothes buying till next year, God willing. My hair is getting 20. I'm moving over my money for my hair. So that one get 20. Miscellaneous is also getting 20. I'm moving that one also over. I think I will change this. Let's see, into 20. Okay, so these are my daily wallet. Simple and nice. Okay, then let's go ahead and go to my bills. You guys know my bills wallet. I got this from Valentine and I'm loving it. It's very, very cute. I love it. And this is my bill wallet. Let's see what is going on bills for the next 2 weeks. This dashboard for mortgage for the longest time. This paycheck, there's no mortgage in it. That is funny, but it's okay because I already know that I'm getting some paycheck before I pay my November mortgage, so that's okay. For that is getting 200. Everybody's getting 20. We are doing something when it comes to internet and subscriptions, so I'm going to keep the money here. Okay, my car insurance is getting $3.15. So that's $3.15. Cricket, no subscription is getting 20. Social media, no. Investment, no. My Ally Bank is getting 50. My Apple One, no. Not display period, rock, no. Miscellaneous is getting 50. Okay, I think I missed my investment. Let's see. Investment is getting, that's my investment. Investment is also getting 50. Okay. Then I'll add this one, which is $20. I'll add that one to my miscellaneous. Okay, so that's all for my daily. No, that's all for my bills, expenses. So every paycheck I do cast off some. For my mortgage, normally I divide into two. I do a split bill normally. So this is how we do it here. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. I really appreciate everybody. And I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye, bye, bye.